This is a 52-inch Hunter original reverse-aire ceiling fan. And it's also electrically reversible. There's a switch up on the top of the motor. So it's kind of a four-way fan, I guess. I can have it spin in either direction in uptake or downdraft. Kind of neat, I guess, but rigged it up here in the garage like I said I would in my 36-inch original video. And I'll show it running here in just a minute. But I got this from Sean Brown, and with the aid of Bill K, who made a trade out with Sean, you know, at no real personal gain to himself, but so I could get this, and that's really great. So thank you, Bill, and thank you, Sean. And this one's going to be in the living room of my house in Willis. And I'll get a light for it. But anyway, yeah, let's see it running. It's just blowing stuff around that's on the floor. It's medium, it's 3 speeds, by the way. And low, which is nice and slow. And off. Reverse the manual way. Nothing updraft, it's blowing around the tag on the garage door. And now let them stop on their own. Just gonna come in, coast. Alright. Now, if you're like me, you probably wondered what the result is of just reversing two of the blades. So, let's find out. As I understand it, by doing this, the fan will move nowhere. But, we'll see. It's pushing her off the side. That's it. Nothing on top, nothing on bottom, and you can see it's going slower. So, mystery solved. Obviously, it's a bad idea to run it like that. Anyway, there you go.